Okay, hi my dear students. Okay, today teacher will continue the lessons. Example 6. Problems involving the intersections of sets. Look at page 103 on the textbook. Okay, a total of 145 pupils are given the opportunity to attend the intensive for history and BM subjects. 65 people choose BM, 70 people choose history, while 50 people choose both BM and history. Calculate A, total people attend class, B, total people not attend class. Okay, to do this, first you have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, this is your Venn diagram. And this one is history, and this one is for BM. Okay, we can write H for history, BM for Bahasa Malaysia. Okay. Okay. Now we look here. 65 people choose BM, 75 people choose history, while 50 people choose both BM and history. So first we have to write 50 for both. It means that there are 50 students who choose both history and BM. Now how many for history? 70 people's history. So if the 70 people's history, so what's the value here? Okay, 70 minus 50, yeah? So history, okay, history is equal 70 minus 50 equal to 20, okay, 20. Okay, BM, how many choose BM? 65, yeah? 65 choose BM, but here is already 50 minus 50, so 15. Okay, now we look at A. Total people attend class, it means that total attend class, yeah? Total attend class, total is 20 plus 50 plus 15 equal to, okay, 70 plus 15, 85. Okay, so there are 85 students attends the class. B, total people not attend class. So B, not attend. Or we can write here attend, yeah? This we can write attend. Okay, not attend is the total 140 minus attend 85. Okay, so 140 minus 85, 140 minus 85 equal to 55. Okay, this is the answer, yeah? Okay. A, attend 85 students. B, not attend 55 students. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, now we look at example 7, page 104. A total of 200 students. 155 students have phones. 99 students have laptops. 37 students have tablets. Okay, so we write here phone 155. Okay, laptop 99. Tablets 37. Okay, both laptop and tablets, okay, laptop and tablet both is 4. 50 students have, okay, phone and laptop equal to 50. And 5 students have phones and tablet, yeah, phone and tablet. Okay, we have 5, yeah. 83 students have phones only, yeah. Yeah. Phones only, yeah. Okay, calculate. A, total students have all 3. B, total students do not have any. Means do not have phone or laptop or tablets. Okay, first we have to draw Venn diagram. Okay, this is Venn diagram. Okay, now we label P for phone, L for laptop, and T for tablets. Okay, now we look at the intersection first. Laptop and tablet. Yeah, both laptop and tablet for student. Laptop and tablet for phone and laptop. Phone and laptop 50. Phone and tablet is 5. Okay, now we look here. 83 students have phone only. So we write phone 83. Yeah, 83 students have phone only. 83. So there are 3 value that's not given. Okay, so here. Okay, X is for total student have all 3. Y is only laptop. Z is a value of only tablets. Yeah? So, how to find the X? To find the X is, okay, X equal to 155 minus 83 minus 50 minus 5. So we have 155 minus 83 minus 50 minus 5. We have 17. Yeah? So X equal to 17. Yeah? So we write here. Okay, X equal to 17. Okay, so how to find Y? Okay, actually 17 is both have 3. So this is for A. Yeah? Okay, this is for A. Yeah? Okay. 17 is the answer for A. Okay, B. Okay, to find B, total student do not have any. You have to find the value of Y and Z. Yeah? So how to find Y? Okay, laptop 99. So Y equal to 99 minus 50 minus 17 minus 4. So equal to 99 minus 50 minus 17 minus 4, 28. So Y is 28. And Z, okay, tablet 37. So 37 minus 5 minus 17 minus 4. Yeah. So 37 minus 5 minus 17 minus 4 equal to 11. Yeah. Okay, 11. So, okay, we have a 11. So total students do not have any means 200, the total of student minus, you have to total this one, yeah? 83, 55, 17, 28, 4 and 11. Okay, 83 plus 50 plus 70 plus 5 plus 4 plus 28 plus 11, 198, yeah? So you minus 198, you get 2. Okay. So the answer for B is 2. The answer for A is 17. Okay, in these questions, the value 83 is the number. So when it's a number, no need to put the dot, yeah? So there is no dot here. Yeah, because this is a how many, yeah? Okay. Before teacher finish the lesson today, teacher wants you to do exercise self-practice 4.1c, page 105, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, next class, I will teach you 4.2, subtopic 4.2, union of sets. Until we meet again, okay, bye.